Modern nature house design is an architectural philosophy that harmoniously blends contemporary aesthetics with the serenity of natural landscapes. This design ethos is particularly compelling when applied to tropical climates, where lush greenery and vibrant ecosystems can be seamlessly integrated into living spaces. At the heart of this approach is the use of concrete as a primary structural element, complemented by expansive tropical gardens that blur the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. The facade of a modern nature house serves as the visual and functional gateway between the interior living spaces and the external environment, in a design that emphasizes a concrete structure and a tropical green garden. One of the defining characteristics of modern nature house design is the seamless integration of indoor and outdoor living spaces. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal and functionality of the house, but also fosters a closer connection to nature, promoting a sense of well-being and tranquility. In a house with a concrete structure and tropical green garden, the design of these living spaces is crucial to achieving a harmonious and sustainable environment. The living room is often the central hub of a home, a place where family and friends gather to relax, entertain, and enjoy each other's company. In a modern nature house that emphasizes a concrete structure and a tropical green garden, the living room plays a pivotal role in establishing a connection to the outdoors while maintaining a sense of tranquility and simplicity. The bedroom is a sanctuary within a home, a place for rest, relaxation, and rejuvenation. In a modern nature house with a concrete structure and a tropical green garden, the design of the bedroom is crucial in creating a serene and harmonious environment that promotes a strong connection to nature. In modern nature house design, the courtyard serves as a central element that brings the outdoors in, providing a serene and lush space that enhances the connection to nature. When combined with minimalist aesthetics, the courtyard becomes an essential feature that offers both beauty and functionality. The modern nature house design with a concrete structure and tropical green garden is a testament to the potential of architecture to create harmonious living environments that blend contemporary design with natural beauty. By embracing principles of sustainability, minimalism, and connection to nature, this design philosophy offers numerous benefits from enhanced well-being and energy efficiency to aesthetic appeal and environmental sustainability.